Well, hello everybody, welcome back to Life Disney and Beyond. We're back at Disneyland, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to this channel so you can stay up to date with what's going on at Disneyland.
And we love having you.
Yes.
So it is morning here at Disneyland.
A lovely morning it is.
It really is a great morning. Sadly, we're here for the last tier.
That's a tear, sorry.
So this is actually really sad, but this is the last day that Belle Terrace in New Orleans Square is serving breakfast. So we're having a goodbye Belle Terrace breakfast.
Yeah, because we love this spot.
Yeah, we do. It's great. It's so great. It's on the water.
Yeah.
We got a view of the Mark Twain and the Columbia going by.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just so nice. The menu's been great.
Yeah.
We're not sure why, so if you think you know why or anything, feel free to leave a comment.
Yeah.
But we're still going to nevertheless enjoy a wonderful breakfast. Our friend Charlie came down again and met us.
Pixar Charlie, sorry.
Let's
not forget that.
So we thought we'd all three have some really good breakfast and enjoy our last day at the Belle Terrace breakfast.
Yeah.
And I hope you guys are gonna have fun and join us and get full.
So let's get to this. There it is. Such a cool building. Charlie's already in there, so we're gonna go join him. Oh, we got an outside table, it looks like. Now we're eating on the patio, but I wanted to show you guys the inside because it's so awesome. One of the nicest dining rooms in Disneyland, I think. And you can sit by a window and watch the world go by and feel like you're in a southern mansion.
Hello, good morning.
Pixar Charlie, might we join you?
Of course, be my guest.
Thank you. Be our guest, be our guest.
Come and eat a lot of food.
Look, he's got his utensils ready.
Look at that.
Let's get our grub on.
That's what's up. All right, there it is on the menu. Look at that one last time. Belle Terrace breakfast. So, monkey bread, we've had that. It's really good.
Oh yeah, Henry and I got that too.
I've had the Becky Thatcher's fried green tomato. That is really good.
Really?
Of course, Mickey shaped pancakes are a huge fan favorite, especially for Katie.
Yes.
Seasonal fruit parfait seems very standard. Country biscuits and gravy, I think we've...
Yeah, I got that before.
Yeah, we've had that before.
Really good.
The Mark Twain.
I think you've had that.
Yeah. And southern fried bone-in pork chop. Have not had that. Seems like a lunch thing, but you know, hey, if you want to really...
Maybe it's brunchy.
And then of course kids have some choices there as well. Get your silver dollars. Walt Disney Parks and Resorts proudly purchases cage-free eggs for all you folks that are concerned about that. That's kind of cool.
I'm concerned about that.
Yeah, you gotta let them roam free.
Free bird.
That's what's up. That is the free bird. We'll call that cage-free, aka free bird. Play some Skinner.
There you go.
And what a great view of the Mark Twain as she goes by. Appropriate for being here at the Belle. It's just the perfect view. It really is. Maybe we'll jump on that in a little while. It might be appropriate for this video to include the Mark Twain, yes?
I do want to say a little fun fact. So we met Pixar Charlie at the Pixar Pier Party, premiere party. That's a lot of P's.
A lot of P's. Say that 5 times fast.
A Pixar Pier premiere party.
Perfect.
And then coincidentally, we were here, what, like a month later? A month later, and they sat us directly next to Pixar Charlie.
And we're like, hey, wait.
And we were here for breakfast. You probably remember the video.
Yeah.
You know, if you look back.
We were inside.
We were inside, and we were like, hey, we remember you. And, you know, we all got to talking, and, you know, that's how we made friends, obviously.
Yeah.
So it's kind of funny that we're all sharing this as our last breakfast here.
Yeah.
It was a fluke.
It really was. But it was meant to be, Charlie. So let's cheers to that because cheers. So something that we're going to really miss is this coffee here. It comes in a really cool mug, and it's like hotel coffee, as I call it. It's richer, you know. So we're going to miss that a lot.
Nice and strong. Really bubbly.
It is strong.
Coffee.
Yeah.
Like it's King Triton coffee.
Oh yeah.
Rich.
All right, there's the fried green tomatoes with the eggs, hard-boiled eggs. I love the purple one. That's so cool. This is really good. I love this. And these tomatoes are super good.
How much are you gonna miss that?
I'm gonna miss this. I've had this a few times, and I will miss this. And Charlie got his Mickey pancakes, but he said he's turned it into a mini pancake. Look, there's the bow. There's the bow. Very creative, my friend.
Thank you very much.
Send all your
Right.
comments to Pixar Charlie on Instagram. There you go. Katie got the same thing, but
Yeah.
she's adorned the side with her berries.
I
Yes.
decorated.
It's almost like what is that? That's like a little
like
little
a
hairpiece.
ribbon.
Like a ribbon.
An
Okay.
accessory.
All right.
I'm gonna go ahead and say
And there's two of those things stacked.
yes.
And
I'm gonna miss this. I hope we at least get them at like maybe Zocalo again. I don't know. Maybe.
they'll always have the Mickey pancakes somewhere, I believe. I mean, it feels like they should, you know?
Yeah, it does. We'll always have waffles at Carnation
Yeah.
and at
Red Rose?
Storytellers. Red Rose.
Red Rose, yeah.
Oh yeah, no, that has a Mickey pancake. I
Yeah,
think.
it does.
I feel like there always has to be a Mickey pancake.
It's Mickey something.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Mickey something somewhere. Are you like sad right now or happy? What is your feeling?
It's bittersweet. It's a combination, you know?
Bittersweet?
Yeah.
Except the food's not better, so.
No, it's not. It's really good. So we're going to give it a little, see if I remember this like it was.
Oh, right as we started eating, listen to the Mark Twain.
Yep.
See, so much, you know, the good part is though, you can still get your fantastic dining package and you can eat, what is it? I guess kind of lunch, but you could do dinner for sure. So you'll still get this experience, it just won't be for breakfast.
And I won't get my southern fried green tomatoes.
No. you
Very
won't.
upset. Very upset.
Are you very sad about it?
Yuck, 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 yuck.
Hey man, are you? Where's the bear? Very.
Berry. Oh, look at another twist on it. Good, Charlie. All right. I got nothing on the bear thing. I got a fork. That's it. All right. So Katie has converted her Mickey pancake into a stack. Look at that.
It's a stack cake, and then we're gonna put some berries on top.
All right.
Watch this. Ta-da! And we will have the ceremonial syrup sloshing. I was like, what would I call this? We will have the ceremonial syrup pouring session. I actually want to record this on my phone too, so here we go. Da 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 da. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look great? I don't hear very many oohs and ahs,
Looks like a commercial.
doesn't it?
It's the final step of the deconstruction. There it is.
And now, we dine. Oh, as the Mark Twain goes by!
Yeah. Mark Twain.
Mark Twain!
He said, enjoy your last breakfast here.
The River Belle.
All right. We're in line. Not much of a line. Look at this. Even the standby is like all the way down to Pride Rock.
That's not too bad, right?
No. But we're going to fast pass this thing.
Oh, lizard!
Lizard.
Oh,
Jurassic Park
he's
is the
doing push-ups.
other way. Here we go. I don't remove them, I flip them. Just flip them. Galaxy's Edge over there. So cool. What do you think of that, Dynamite? What do you think? What do you think? He said he likes it. Here we go.
Mr. Bones?
Yeah, we'll see if we can get a little selfie mode with him. Hey, buddy.
My hair went in my face. I missed it. I was like this. Hi, Mr. Bones. How are you?
Charlie, we're dropping you off at Rainbow Ridge. Jump out.
Get out and get some sarsaparilla.
Come back about 6.
Yeah.
Look at, there's my train. You're courageous.
No, I thought that you were, I am loco. That's what it is.
I am loco.
That's your
That
train.
is my train.
Yeah. All right, ceremonial hat flip. Boom, we're back. All right. There they go. Looks like some Canadian geese, maybe? Some sort of geese. They're very excited. Right next to the Mark Twain is this little food stand here. And they've got chimichangas, but they also have what, Katie?
They're breakfast chimichangas. So you may not be able to get breakfast at River Belle Terrace anymore, but
right.
a couple of hops, skips, and a jumps away, like right by across from Big Thunder Mountain,
yeah.
You can get a breakfast chimichanga. Now the thing is, they run out really fast.
Yeah.
So make sure you get them, and it's great because it's under $5 too. So.
Yeah. When do they start at like 9:30? She said.
No, I think she said they were out by 9:30, and that was just today.
They go fast.
They go quick. So if the park opened at 8, that's only an hour and a half. So
yeah.
Definitely something to try, especially if you like a good breakfast chimichanga. We'll try and get it one of these mornings.
Yeah.
And we'll show you.
Good tip. River excursions on the Mark Twain. Here she comes. I think we'll jump on and take a lap. Okay, Mark Twain riverboat. We will join you for a lap on the rivers of America. It's really cool how you can grab a little seat up front.
Also,
kind of nice.
No fires or smoking on board.
And look who's going to join us for the ride. It's Tiana, you guys. She's coming on board.
Cast off bow line. Engine room. Ahead 1/4.
We're underway, as they say.
Engine room. Ahead 3/4. Leadsman. Sound off.
On the mark. Off 1. That's the leadsman calling out the depth markings so we can avoid running aground. Mark Twain!
The best part of this
Mark
message.
Twain is not just the name of a riverboat or a great American author. It also means the water here is 2 fathoms deep. You see over there on the hill. I heard it said that the place is haunted.
Good old Fowler's Harbor, empty. Columbia is out and about, doing laps. Jack Sparrow. He's getting applause from the ship. Everybody's very happy to see Jack.
We're now passing Fowler's Harbor. This is homeport for the 3-masted Windshield.
And look, you guys, there's those geese that were flying earlier.
She rounded Cape Horn.
So this is where you guys were going. They were going to Splash Mountain. They're going to try to jump on a log. And make sure to watch our video on how to stay cool at Disneyland, because we took quite a ride on the old Splash Mountain, and we took you with us.
With bayous and one of those tall tales we often hear along the river. The story.
It's kind of a cool view looking right at the tunnel. Look, here they come. Ah, that's so cool. That was good timing. And more applause for very brave Splash Mountain riders.
So funny how everybody keeps clapping.
Yeah. Let's see if they clap for the canoer guys, the paddlers. They're always a fun group of cast members who do this job.
They are.
Because it takes a lot of effort and a lot of enthusiasm.
Energy.
Yeah, a lot of energy, but it's a great attraction that not too many people really indulge in. We recommend you try it. One of the best parts of this attraction right in here, where it starts to get into the Columbia River Gorge area, approaching the old cabin. And if you're lucky, you'll catch the train going by. Approaching the Fantasmic storage area over here. That's what that waterfall is back there. And that gap is for all the boats for Fantasmic. And eventually they turn off the waterfall and then everybody goes in and out of there. It'd be kind of cool if they left the waterfall on, you know? But they don't. So if you ever see it off, it's usually close to the time that they're starting Fantasmic. And of course, the now famous Murder Beaver, as he's been called, because he's trying to dismantle the train trestle. He's hard at work. And look, here comes the train. Let's see if they'll talk to the Twain. Sometimes they talk. Look at all the animatronic butterflies, you guys. Disney does such a great job with those. Just kidding, those are real butterflies. Pretty awesome though. A boy and his dog having a blast. What do you see over there, boy? What do you see? I think he sees fish, is what he sees.
And there, just beyond the shaman, is a tribe of plains in Tom Sawyer Island.
I love the Pirate's Lair with the caves. That's also in our How to Stay Cool at Disneyland. This is a really great spot to get away from all the crowds and the loud noises. Hide out in some shade or go explore a cave.
The hardest working cast members on the river, they're powering their Davy Crockett Explorer canoes. In front, we got the world famous Duke.
Oh, there's Duke, yeah.
Steering the back is his uncle, Mr. Wayne. Let's cheer these folks on.
Yeah, Duke. Get it, bro, get it.
Work.
There's Tiana.
You look beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. If only I could have a dress like that.
I'll talk to Mama Odie. She can make it.
Oh.
Wonderful.
Gonna get the Tiana hookup.
Always knew I loved you, Tiana.
Beignets are good too.
Oh my
Oh.
gosh, I ate so many.
She knows about those beignets.
Oh no. Maybe the river.
All right. Katie's getting her photo with Tiana. Look at this.
Perfect.
Amazing. All right, we're pulling into port. Coming off the river. You see so many cool things when you're on the boat. And you also, Victor! We saw Victor! Just hanging out, huh?
Enjoying that.
Enjoying the view? It's been too long, dude. What's happening?
Not much. You know, just living the life, you know?
That's what's up, dude. Hercules, Hercules! Okay, well, that wraps up bittersweet, kind of sad, our last breakfast at Belle Terrace, and a nice ride on the Mark Twain with Tiana.
Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, turn on your bell notifications. That way you know when we go live and when we upload our new videos.
Absolutely.
And if you want to support Life Disney, you can become one of our Patreon members. We'll put all the information on how to do so right there below in the description box.
We will, and we'll see you next time on Life Disney and Beyond. Bye-bye, everybody!
Bye.
We are the Madrid family from El Paso, Texas, and we love Life Disney.